Are you ready to unpack with me this Christmas gifts mystery box? Stay with me until the end because I'll give you a discount code and we'll show you stunning jewelries for Christmas and St. Valentine's Day. Today's sponsor is Nihao Jewelry, but more on them later. Grab your coffee and let's get started. First, I want to show you these stunning faceted crystals that are 4 by 6 millimeters. I have many tutorials with this size of crystals. They are so stunning. They are dark blue. They are changing beautifully their color on the light, and you can't imagine how beautiful they are when you have them live in your hand. They are just so amazing and such high quality. I can't wait to create some tutorials with these crystals. And there are so many other colors. You will see them now on your screens. Another crystals that I ordered are these stunning 10mm chatons. See how beautiful they are. I will give you a close-up to see. I've shown you some tutorials with chaton crystals. I'll give a link in description so you can create earrings with those. The difference between chaton and rivoli is that chaton is flat at the top, and this is an amazing chaton, guys, ruby color. That is so cool. I ordered 20 pieces. They are 10 per package, and you can create a bracelet and earrings from one package. They are not expensive, around 20 cents per piece. You will see a link in description. And I should tell you guys, I couldn't stop myself from ordering more of those extremely high quality cylindrical even shaped beads that are a great imitation of delicate beads. Last time when I showed you treasures from Nihao Jewelry, I ordered some of those, and now I decided to add new colors to my palette of beads, and you can use them for all of my PDF patterns and the designs that I'm showing you with peyote and brick stitch. Let me unpack them and show you everything I have. Okay guys, and these are the high quality cylindrical beads that are budget friendly variation of delicate beads and ICO treasuries. And you can also bezel these crystals with those beads and create similar designs. I also couldn't help myself, guys, but ordered these amazing circular earring findings. I'm ordering them for the second time because I like them a lot. They are hypoallergenic and high quality but very inexpensive. See all the colorful variations that you can order. I'm also very happy, guys, with these gift bags. You see how many different colors we have, and now I will show you how I'm packing the Christmas presents from the latest design that I created. Okay guys, and these are some of the designs that you will expect next month to create for you. So let me pack all of these in different colors of these packages. Okay guys, and now I have everything prepared and packed, and I'm ready for the holidays and for the Christmas gifts. And we are approaching the culmination of this video where I will show you these exquisite fine silver earrings, 925 silver. They are amazing gift for the holiday season. You see how beautiful they look. See how they look on my ear as well. Wow, so exquisite. And another piece of fun and stunning jewelry, just great for Christmas present, but also for St. Valentine's Day. They are amazing and high quality, great design. Now stay with me to learn more about today's sponsor and to get a discount code. Today's sponsor, Nihao Jewelry, is a leading online wholesale platform specializing in fashion jewelry, accessories, and apparel. They serve retail stores, boutiques, supermarkets, e-commerce sellers, wholesalers, and brand owners with over 300,000 products. They are a multilingual website and have global shipping, no custom duties for US customers. They have 40,000 items that are with free shipping. They are one-stop wholesale platform, ideal for small business, support dropshipping, perfect for Shopify sellers. They have big discounts for new users. And maybe I can share some of my personal shopping experience. I like their website, it works really fast. As you may see, they offer multiple type of products, clothing, jewelry, high-end and budget-friendly. There is a special section, guys, for jewelry making. As you may see, here are multiple accessories that you can apply in your craft. And here, as you may see, there is a special section for beads. I think that's amazing. So you can definitely try them. I put in the description all the supplies that I bought and that I showed during the tutorial, so you can check them out. I'm impressed by the jewelry section as well. There are crystal jewelries. So yeah, you can choose from multiple designs as well. Also, Nihao Jewelry offer extremely good discounts for new customers. And you will also find a link to their app in description. So if you want, you can download it and get this discount. There is a special discount code that they provide especially for you, and it is ding10. Use it at checkout for an exclusive 10% off. So thank you for being here with me and watching this video. Expect new tutorials where I will show you beautiful designs with the beads that you have just seen.